Hey everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. So guys, I have a must-do deals video for Dollar General this week, plus 5 off 525 scenarios that happen on Sunday, July 31st of 2021. We have so many great deals. It's amazing. I know it's been a while since I've done a Dollar General video. As many of you may know, that I had COVID for like 2 weeks, and I don't know, it just took a while to get back on track. So I am back, and I'm hoping to keep doing these videos. We'll see how they go. But before we get going, if you want to see more Dollar General videos, please make sure you hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and hit all. And it's been a very long time since I've done one of these Dollar General videos, so we have so many new deals to talk about. So let's get going. All right, first freebie and huge overage is the BioFreeze patches. They're regularly priced $1.75. We have a new $2.50 off one digital coupon, making these free and 75 cents of overage. And now remember, with Dollar General, the way it works is you don't get that in cash, so you have to make sure you have something else in your cart to cover that overage. But with any kind of 2 or 5 off 25 scenario, you're going to be good to go. So super excited about this deal. Another great deal we have is the Oral-B toothbrush. It's regularly priced $3. There is a 2 off 1 digital, making the final cost just $1 for this toothbrush. Tide Simply Pods. These are regularly priced $2.95. There's a $1 off 1 digital coupon, making the final cost $1.95. Next, we have the Downy Unstoppables. These are regularly priced $4.50. There is a 2 off 1 digital coupon, making that final cost just $2.50. Now, this is a little bit better deal with the same coupon. You can't do both of these deals, obviously. You have to pick one or the other. But the Downy Liquid Fabric Conditioner, I think this is a really small little bottle, is regularly priced $2.95. There's a 2 off 1 digital coupon that is attaching. Final cost is 95 cents. And like always, before you go to check out, make sure you scan your products in store using that app to make sure those digital coupons are attaching to your product. If you do that when you get to checkout, it'll be super easy. If you don't do that, some coupons may not attach and you don't realize it, and you'll pay more than you want to. Continuing on with the laundry, we have Arm & Hammer laundry detergent that's regularly priced $3.50. We have a $1 off 1 digital, making that final cost $2.50. Extra laundry detergent is regularly priced $4.50. We have a $1 off 1 digital coupon, making the final cost for this just $3.50. Now this deal I think is fantastic. The Purex packs are regularly priced $3, and we have a 2 off 1 digital coupon, making the final cost $1. Remember, you want to do this deal this week because it does expire on the 31st. You want to check the expiration dates on some of these to make sure that you get them in if you're wanting them. We also have a big bottle of Purex laundry detergent, 150 ounces, regularly priced $7.85. We have a 3 off 1 digital coupon that applies. Final cost is $4.85. Gain liquid laundry detergent is regularly priced $4.95. There's a 2 off 1 digital coupon. Final cost is $2.95. We also have 4 Powerade. You want to grab them. They're regularly priced 85 cents. We have a buy 3, get 1 free digital coupon, so 85 cents will come off. Final cost is going to be just 64 cents each once you buy 4 of them. We also have the Bic Silky Touch disposable razors, 12 count, regularly priced $2.85. There is a 2 off 1 store coupon, making that final cost just 85 cents. We also have the Maybelline Twin Brow and Eye Pencils, regularly priced $3.25. There's a 2 off 1 digital coupon. Now, it will go towards anything Maybelline eye or face products. So this is probably just one of the best deals that we have as far as price goes. But if there's something else that you're wanting, definitely grab that. Final cost is $1.25 here. Safeguard hand soaps, if you grab 2 of them, they're regularly priced $3 or $6 total. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon, making that final cost just $1.50 each. We also have the Herdez guacamole salsa. You want to grab 2 of them for this deal. They're regularly priced $1.50 each, but we have a buy one, get one digital coupon. Final cost is going to be $1.50 total, or just 75 cents each. We also have the Garnier Fructis. Now this is the small sample size, regularly priced $1.50. We have a 2 off 1 store coupon. Now, what's interesting about store coupons is they do not let you get anything for free or much less have overage. So it will go down to just 1 cent, which is not completely free, but close enough. We also have a deal on the Suave. So it doesn't matter if you get the shampoo or the conditioner or the body wash or whatever you want to do. Just mix and match it until you have $6 total. Now, if you get the shampoo that's regularly priced $2, you're going to grab 3 of them. There's a 2 off $6 store coupon. Final cost is going to be $4 total, or just $1.33 each. We also have a price rise in the Schick Classic disposable razors, unfortunately. So these are regularly priced $4, but we do have a 3 off 1 digital coupon that's attaching, so the final cost is just $1, which is a great price. Caress bar soaps, the 3-count ones, they're regularly priced $2.75. You want to grab 2 of them for this deal and use the 2 off 2 store coupon. Final cost is going to be $1.75 each. Alright, so this is pretty cool, but hopefully your store carries this. The Lysol toilet bowl cleaners that are 8 ounces. They're regularly priced $1. There's a 50-cent off 1 digital coupon that's attaching. Final cost is going to be 50 cents, which is awesome. We also have the Swiffer Duster Starter Kits. These are regularly priced $5, but there's a 2 off 1 digital coupon. Final cost, just $3. Colgate Kids Powered Toothbrushes. These are regularly priced $5. There's a 2 off 1 digital coupon, so you're going to grab one of these for just $3. Dove Hand Wash, the antibacterial soap, is regularly priced $3.50. There is a $1 off 1 digital coupon, meaning your final cost for one of these is just $2.50. We also have a deal on the Multi-Meal cereal that's regularly priced $3.85. There's a $1 off 1 digital coupon, making your final cost $2.85. Next, we have the Febreze Small Space Air Freshener, regularly priced $3. You want to use the 3 off 2 digital coupon, so grab 2 of these. Your final cost is going to be $3 total, or just $1.50 each. We also have the all liquid laundry detergent that's regularly priced $4. There is a $1.25 off 1 digital coupon. Final cost $2.75. Alright guys, hopefully you got through all those deals and you found a bunch of them that you like. If you put a scenario together, let me know in the comments what deals you are doing for your 5 off 25, but I have a couple of scenarios for you. So what happens every week on Saturday, Dollar General offers a digital 5 off 25 items. Now, it's a really awesome deal because you can mix and match all of these products we just saw and get it up to a threshold of 25 before your digital coupons come off. Once you take off those digital coupons and the 5 off 25, sometimes you're left with just amazing price. So let's check out a couple of scenarios that I put together for you. The first one is grab one of those BioFreeze patches that are regularly priced $1.75. One of the Tide Simply Pods, regularly priced $2.95. One of the Purex packs that are regularly priced $3. One of the Downy Unstoppables that are regularly priced $4.50. One of the Bic Disposable Razor 12 count that's regularly priced $2.85. One of the Schick Classic Disposable Razors that's regularly priced $4. And 3 of the Suave shampoos. Obviously, you don't have to do shampoo. You can do anything else that equals a total of $6, but grab 3 of those for $2 each. Your total cost is going to be $25.05. Then we're going to apply all of our coupons, the 5 off 25 digital, the $2.50 off 1 BioFreeze, the $1 off 1 Tide Simply, the 2 off 1 Purex, the 2 off 1 Downy, the 2 off 1 Bic, the 3 off 1 Schick, and the 2 off 6 for Suave. Your total coupons are going to be $19.50, meaning your final cost is going to be $5.55 total, or just 62 cents each. And with the amount of you're getting Tide and Unstoppables and Purex and razors and all this, 62 cents each is absolutely amazing. Next, we are going to have another scenario. I changed it up a little bit, but I left some of the really good deals in there. So you want to grab one of the BioFreeze patches. The overage, you just can't get away from that. You definitely want that in your transaction. One of the Tide Simply Pods, one of the Purex packs, then one of the Oral-B toothbrushes, one of the Bic disposable razor 12 count, one of the Schick classic disposable razors, one of the Lysol toilet bowl cleaner 8 ounce, one of the Arm & Hammer detergent, and one of the Downy liquid fabric conditioner. Okay, so total cost after all of these products is $25 even. So at that point, you've hit your threshold. Your 5 off 25 digital come off, the 250 off 1 BioFreeze comes off, the $1 off 1 Tide Simply, the 2 off 1 Purex, the 2 off 1 Oral-B, the 2 off 1 Bic, the 3 off 1 Schick, the 50 cent off 1 Lysol, the $1 off 1 Arm & Hammer, and the 2 off 1 Downy, making your total coupons $21 total. Final cost $4 total, or 44 cents each. Amazing! Okay guys, that's all I have for you. Just 2 scenarios. Hopefully you like those. If you like to see these Dollar General videos, please give me a great big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, ring the notification bell, and hit all so you don't miss any of my videos. And make sure you're following me on social media. All those great things. Have a wonderful week, and I will see you later. Bye guys!